Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting video comparing two amazing cameras for all you photography enthusiasts out there. In the left corner, we have the Fujifilm X-T5 mirrorless digital camera, and in the right corner, we have the Canon EOS R50 content creator kit. So let's dive right into the comparison. When it comes to image quality, both cameras deliver outstanding results. The Fujifilm X-T5 boasts a class-leading 40.2 megapixel X-Trans 5-hour CMOS sensor, capturing stunning details across the native ISO range. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R50 impresses with its 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor and Digic X processor, ensuring crisp and vibrant images every time. If you're into videography, both cameras have something to offer. The Fujifilm X-T5 features powerful in-body image stabilization, ensuring smooth footage even in challenging conditions. Meanwhile, the Canon EOS R50 supports 4K uncropped movie recording with dual-pixel CMOS AFE for precise and cinematic videos. When it comes to autofocus, the Canon EOS R50 takes the lead with its dual-pixel CMOS AFE. It covers a remarkable 100% by 100% area and utilizes deep learning technology for auto-subject detection and tracking, while the Fujifilm X-T5 has a reliable autofocus system. It's hard to beat the extensive capabilities of the Canon EOS R50. For those action-packed moments, shooting speed matters. The Fujifilm X-T5 offers a continuous shooting speed of 12 FPS with electronic first curtain and 15 FPS with electronic shutter, ensuring you never miss a shot. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R50 impresses with a continuous shooting speed of 12 FPS, giving you the ability to capture fast-moving subjects with ease. Both cameras come loaded with additional features to enhance your photography experience. The Fujifilm X-T5 retains the classic X series design with intuitive dials for quick and easy settings. It also offers a tilting LCD for added flexibility. Meanwhile, the Canon EOS R50 comes as a content creator's kit, providing you with all the essentials for creating stunning visual content, including a variety of auto-compatible scenes and a built-in flash. And that's a wrap on our comparison of these two fantastic cameras. It's clear that both the Fujifilm X-T5 and the Canon EOS R50 have their unique strengths, catering to different needs. We hope this video helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to hit that like button, leave us a comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Happy shooting!